What's going on, guys? What we've here today is a Mul-T G series padlock. As you can see, the padlock's quite a nice one. The core, the cylinders in Mul-T Garrison. That's what we'll be picking. We've got no key for it, unfortunately. But we don't need no keys. We can get it open and we can see the pins once we've got it. Put my tension tool in. Get it in focus for you. There you go, there's that, guys. So we're going to go in using a half diamond for this. Just something that gives a bit of give on the plug. Look for that false set, something what's binding. It seems to be that pin 4. Struggling to pick's a bit trapped there from another binding pin. Just pull out. Going now with a little deeper reach of a pick, where I can get over those pins a little bit easier. See what's giving me trouble. Nice little false set. Got pin 1A binding. Pin 1 set. Straight onto pin 2, that's binding. New set. I think it's the pin 5 that's causing me a bit of trouble here now. There we go, guys. We have it picked. Let me move it out of the way for you. Let me just get my screwdriver. Lift up that shackle. So we have it in that position. Just take that circlip off. If anyone knows me, I bloody hate circlips. There we go, it's pinged off. I'll find that later. Now, it's all the pins have fell out. That's my fault because I didn't have a Euro profile horseshoe at the bottom there. You see how the pins are coming out there. What I'll do, guys, I'll just pull out all that. So all the drivers I fell out. And if you look in there, there are your pins. So the best thing I can do is, without delaying, zoom out so you can see, it's just I'll rest all the pins out so you can see. As always, messy gutting. But hey, you can see, I have a rough idea what's inside. Doesn't really matter what order it's in, not to me anyway. You can see most of them are all standard. You've got this one here. Those are tweezers. This one here, it's like a I like to call it a torpedo spool keeping because it looks like a torpedo. All the rest are spools, except for this anti-drill pin here. I think it's anti-drill pin. It's hard to tell without a magnet. It might just be a standard driver. You can look in there. Nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular about that. No counter milling. There it is. There we go, guys. That's the Mul-T G series padlock Garrison core picked. Thanks for watching.